One thing I do want to recommend when you're making pickled garlic is that you try and use a salt that has no iodine in it. Pickled garlic can sometimes react with the vinegar or the salt, and it'll turn kind of greenish, even sometimes like a vibrant blue. It's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. It just looks funky, but you can still eat it. It's perfectly safe. I have 2 cups of water in this pot. I'm going to add 2 cups of white vinegar. I'm going to add a tablespoon of salt to this. I'm just going to stir this until the salt is dissolved. If you want to add sugar to this, you can add a teaspoon, okay? I'm going to leave it sugar-free. Guys, I went ahead and added a 2nd tablespoon of salt. I tasted it and I want it salty. I have a clean jar here and I'm going to put a bunch of dill in the bottom. I have a bowl full of peeled garlic. Put that in there. I'm going to add chilies to this. It is optional. And I'm going to put peppercorn medley in here for the whole peppercorns. You can use mustard seed if you want. You can use pickling spices, whatever you want. All right, this has cooled down a little bit and I'm just going to pour it over the garlic. I'm just going to move it around so all the air bubbles come out and everything is nicely covered in there, which is great. I'm going to wait this to cool down completely. I'm going to cover it and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about 2 weeks. This takes about between 2 and 4 weeks to pickle. The more we let it pickle, the less strong the garlic's going to be. These have been in the fridge for 4 weeks, guys. As I told you, the longer you leave them in the vinegar, the better they're going to get. We all know the benefits of garlic. They're very, very good for your health. Wow, that is so good. Keep these in the fridge for up to 2 months. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to see you soon.